Hello, my name is Victor. I am the product manager of the deploy stage environments group, and this is our 15.11 planning issue. First, I will start with the deliverable goals we have, and then Emily will follow with the preparation that we designed for the following milestones. So this milestone is mostly about bug fixes and maintenance work as we are preparing for the 16.0 deprecations. We have, after working a lot on it in the past weeks, we now have 2 S2 bugs that we still have to fix. And we are in prep for the deprecation. We are removing already some code that was deprecated 1 year ago. Besides this, we want to ship 2 OKR features related to that we inherited from the release stage, from the release usability benchmarking study. The initial plan in the OKR was to ship 3 issues, these 3 actually, but one of those 3 depends on a whole epic, so it definitely won't fit to this quarter, but we are prioritizing that epic as much as we can. Finally, the next feature that we would love to ship behind the feature flag on GitLab.com is to provide cluster visualization within environments pages. This will launch in a closed beta. When the time comes, we will publish a blog post about it to describe the current limitations and how customers on GitLab.com can sign up for this closed beta. If you have any questions, you can reach us in the G_environment Slack channel. And now I will hand over to Emily.
Hey everyone, my name is Emily Bowman and I am the product designer on the new environments group. And today I'm going to be walking through the UX plan for 15.11. So as some of you know, the environments group was just formed in 15.10. So a lot of my milestone will still be on onboarding, but I'll be jumping into some design work this milestone, and I'll be going through that in this recording. So the first issue, and this will be the top of my list of getting done, is just learning the delivery tech domain. So learning the domain in this new area. I'm new for the configure part of this, learning about Kubernetes and all of that. So I'll be focusing a lot on learning the basics of Kubernetes, learning the basics of Terraform, and just getting up to speed on some of the stuff I'll need to really understand the user journeys. So this will be first and foremost in this milestone, but I do have a few issues to go over additionally to that. The next is solution validation for the group level production environments concept. So this concept has been around for a little while. We're planning on just validating that this is what our users actually want to see. But basically this issue is around being able to see your production environments at the group level across multiple projects, which has been something our users have been asking for quite some time. So this will be milestone 1 of 2 of this, just making a lot of progress into validating that this is what users want to see. The next will be my first look at the built-in Kubernetes dashboard design. So this has been a big issue. Ali has been focusing on this before me, so I'll be taking this over with a focus mostly for this first milestone on understanding like the filtering aspect and just getting my head around the user journey and what we have so far. The next is the final benchmarking issue that we want to get done, design ready for our benchmarking OKR, and that is show who is approved to deploy on the environments page and in the approval rules. So once this one is complete, we will be finished that benchmarking OKR, but this is really around how users are unsure who can actually approve a deployment when they are using the deployment approval rules, and just surfacing that information so it's much easier for them to understand. And the final one I'll be looking at is just kind of understanding the user journey of add initial access management doc. So I'll be joining in. I'm still very new to this area, so I might not have a lot of opinions, but my job here is really to get up to speed and understanding what the UX in this area would be when it is all laid out. So yeah, that is all of the UX issues I'll be focusing on for 1511. I'm also experimenting with different ways to share this in our planning issue. So looking forward to it.